Hi viewers, for today's video tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to get into your SWC account. So the first thing that you want to do is go over to our homepage by typing in www.swc-academy.com. Once you go to our homepage, you're going to see a member login page on the top right-hand corner. Go ahead and click on member login. And it's going to take you to our welcome page. You could go ahead and disregard all of this because since you're already a member, all you need to do is just click on the bottom right over here. Click on login. And using your SWC Google account that's been assigned to you, you're going to just go ahead and log in with Google. And you might have several different accounts. Make sure you use your SWC Google account. And once you get in here, you're going to notice your name on the top right-hand corner. Okay, just go ahead and click on your name. Click on My Account. And you now have access to your online account. Inside your account, you're going to see access to your student resources, contacting your writing coach, as well as your other classes that you are currently taking. Click on the course that you're taking, such as your team name. And by clicking on your team name, you're going to access all of the different types of courses that are available at SWC Academy. Go ahead and click on the course that you're currently taking. There you have it, how to get into your SWC account.